Hi everybody! We are making everybody's favorite snack. We started with 2 cups of cinnamon Chex Mix, and this is 2 more cups of maple brown sugar Chex Mix. I love this time of year because everybody comes up with like seasonal flavors. This is honey nut. I think if you can find like a pumpkin spice Chex Mix, you can use that too. This is 1/4 of a cup of butter. To be adding just a little bit of vanilla to that, just a splash. Mix it all up together like that. And you're gonna pour it all over your Chex Mix. We're gonna be adding, this is a 8-ounce bag of chopped pecans. We're gonna be adding that whole bag. And keep mixing so that that butter and the vanilla gets on everything. A 1/4 cup of brown sugar. You can use light or dark, that's up to you. Kind of have it packed in here, so just kind of spread that out over everything. And then you're going to be adding some pumpkin spice. Now the recipe says 1/4 teaspoon, but I'm just gonna add probably closer to 1/2, just because I like that pumpkin pie flavor. You can also add other spices. If you like it more gingery, you can add more ginger to your pumpkin spice mix, or more cinnamon, or more nutmeg. So we're gonna toss this really good. When everything is coated, we're gonna place it all on, a baking sheet, because you want that sugar to caramelize a little bit and everything get a little toasty. And this is going to go on a 250, not 300, 250 degree oven for about an hour, and every 15 minutes go in and just give it a light toss. Look at this. It smells so good. Like a pumpkin pie you could take with you. Don't have to worry about like a slice of pie. And you can put them in little bags like this, which is exactly what I'm gonna do. Throw that in with your lunch for tomorrow, and it's totally gonna make your afternoon because you can be munching on this. This never lasts. When you make this, it won't last that long. So do these in little bags, throw them in a lunch bag, make your kids or your partner's day. I hope you try this at home. It's so good. Thanks for watching.